Hi Y2, well done for getting online and accessing your home learning. We're going to do a phonics lesson now. So the first thing we're going to do is say the sounds that we see. These are all your set 2 sounds coming up. If you're still learning your set 2 sounds, then I suggest leaving this video and going finding one that Miss Reed has recorded on the Byron Wood YouTube channel, where she is teaching the set 2 sounds and recapping all the set 1 sounds. If you already know all your set 2 sounds and you're ready to learn your set 3 sounds, then carry on watching. So get ready. O, A, I, R, O, U, O, E, ow, E, oi. So well done if you got all of those right. Now we're going to learn a new set 3 sound. So the sound that we're learning today is A. So I'm going to say it and then it'll be your turn. So A, your turn. Well done. A, your turn. Well done. And our little rhyme to remember that is snail in the rain. So I'm going to say that one more time and then you're going to repeat it. Snail in the rain. Well done. So your job now is to have a look at the slides that are coming up and say whether it's A or snail in the rain. Get ready. A, snail in the rain. A, snail in the rain. Snail in the rain again. A. Well done if you got all of those right. I tried to catch you out a couple of times by putting 2 together, but I'm sure that you got those right. So the next job is to look at all of the sounds we know so far, and when you see the sound that we're learning today, which is A, well done, then you need to say, that's the sound we're looking for. So get ready. O, A, I, A. That's the sound we're looking for. Well done if you found it. R, O, U, O, E, A. That's the sound we're looking for. Well done if you found it. Ow, E, oi, A. That's the sound we're looking for. Well done if you found it all of those times. So the next thing we need to be able to do is to write the sound. We can say it really well, so now we need to practice writing it. So A and I together make up our A sound. And you can see from the ones that I did earlier that they are both small letters. So I shouldn't have any letters bigger than the other. My A and my I should be the same size, and then the dot on top of my I should be higher than the other parts. So if you watch my mouse, we'll go through it together and I will show you how to write it. So get ready to write snail in the rain. Dot. Well done. Let's do it one more time together. And it might be a good idea for you to get your pencil, your imaginary pencil, and follow along with me as I'm doing it with the mouse. So let's get ready. 3, 2, 1. Get ready to write snail in the rain. Well done. So now I'd like you to find a piece of paper or a whiteboard or whatever it is that you have in your house that you can write on and practice writing your A sound. Might be a good idea to pause the video now and write some of your A sound and then play it when you're happy with the amount that you've written. Well done for writing your A sound. I'm sure that you've done some beautiful handwriting and I can't wait to see it when you take a picture of it and send it to your class email account. So now that we can say the sound and we can write the sound, we need to be able to use the sound in spelling some words. So don't put away your whiteboard or your pen or your paper or whatever it is that you're writing on. We need to use it to spell some words. So the first word that you're going to spell is snail. So we need to get our fred fingers out and we need to hide them and we need to count the sounds in snail. And then you need to write it down on whatever it is that you're using to write on. Snail. Let's see if you got it right. Is this what you wrote? Well done. There are 4 sounds in snail. Let's sound them out together. S, n, a, u. Snail. Well done if you got that right. If you didn't get that right, just make sure that you correct it on your sheet now. Let's try another one. Get your fred fingers ready. And we're going to spell the word chain. Chain. And then when you're happy that you know how many sounds are in chain, write it down. Chain. If you finish a little bit early, it might be a good idea for you to put your sound buttons on. Chain. Okay, and 3, 2, 1. Is this what you wrote? Well done. There are 3 sounds in chain. Let's sound them out together. Ch, a, n. Chain. Well done. If you made any mistakes, just correct them now. And get your fred fingers ready for our next word. The next word is rain. Rain. How many sounds are in rain? When you've counted on your fred fingers, write it down on your paper. Rain. Can you add your sound buttons as well? And 3, 2, 1. Is this what you wrote? Well done. There are 3 sounds in rain. Let's say them together. A, n. Rain. Fabulous. Well done. Get your fred fingers ready for another word. The next word is paint. Paint. How many sounds can you count on your fred fingers for paint? When you counted those sounds, remember to write down the word. If you need more time, you can always pause the video. Paint. And 3, 2, 1. Is this what you wrote? Paint. There are 4 sounds in paint. Let's say them together. P, A, N, T. Paint. Well done. We've got one more word for you, and it's quite a tricky one, so make sure you're doing your super listening. Fred fingers ready? Train. Train. You might ride on a train to travel somewhere that can be quite far away. Train. When you've counted how many sounds are in train, then write it on your sheet of paper. And 3, 2, 1. Is this what you wrote? There are 4 sounds in train. Let's say them together. T, a, n. Train. Well done if you got those right. So the next thing that we need to do is you need to find our A sounds in these words, and then we need to say each of the sound and blend the word. So let's do the first one together. Where's our A sound? Here it is. Let's say the word. T, A, U. Tail. Well done. Next word. Where is our A sound? Here it is. Let's say the word together. Fred talk. P, A, D. Paid. Well done. Let's have a look at that third word. Where is our A sound? There it is. Let's say the word together. Stain. Well done. Let's have a look at our fourth word. Where is the A sound? Here it is. Let's Fred talk the word together. Main. And our last word is, here is our A sound. Let's Fred talk it. Spain. That's right, our last word is Spain. And anyone who's really switched on today might notice that it is our only word that has a capital letter. Just have a think to yourself for 1 second. Why is that? Why is that the only word that has a capital letter? What's special about that word? Well done if you recognised that this word is a proper noun. It is the name of a place, so that means it must have a capital letter because it is a name. Well done if you remembered that. So we've got some alien words now. Remember, these words are not real words. They don't make sense. They're not real. So when we finish saying them and sounding them out, we can say, what a load of nonsense. So let's sound that first word out together. Age. Hage. What a load of nonsense. Let's do that second word together. Fred talk. Ch-a-b. Chabe. What a load of nonsense. R-a-sh. Raish. What a load of nonsense. These words are not real. They do not make any sense. Okay, here's your phonics challenge then for today. I have got a list of 10 words that all use the A sound. Now you might notice from looking at those words that some of them use the set 2A sound, and that is may I play with an A and a Y. But other words, they use the set 3A sound, the one that we've been learning today, which is snail in the rain, which is spelt with an A and an I together. So your job is to separate the words into 2 columns. So what I'd like you to do is write on one side of your paper, A, and then all the words that you can see that use the set 2A sound, you're going to write them underneath. And on the other side of your piece of paper, you're going to write the set 3A sound, and that is the A and the I, snail in the rain. And any word that you can see that uses the A, snail in the rain sound, you're going to write that underneath this. And if you're feeling really switched on and really want to challenge yourself, then I would like you to try and add your own word that you've thought of to each of the columns. So I will leave those words on the screen for you. The video is going to end, so you might want to pause it here and then separate them out into your 2 columns. I'm really excited to see all the work that you send on the class email to your class teacher. Well done for your phonics today, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next phonics lesson. Bye, you two.